Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the SCT SF4 Power Flash tuner for 1996 to 2017 Mustangs. This tuner comes with SCT's pre-configured tune loaded on it. It's going to be a great option for you if you're looking for more of a general tune instead of a more custom preloaded tune. It's also a great option for you guys out there that are looking for a device to take to a custom dyno tune. The install for this, if you will, is very easy. It's a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. We'll talk more about that a little later on. First, we're going to head over to the dyno to show you what kind of performance you can expect from the SCT preloaded tune. Alright guys, so we ran our manual 2015 GT on the dyno and we got stock numbers of 403 horsepower and 358 foot-pounds of torque. Then we loaded the SCT pre-configured tune onto the car and we got numbers of 405 horsepower and 368 foot-pounds of torque. Your curve gains are 10 horsepower and 13 foot-pounds of torque, right in that driving RPM range, right around that 4,000 RPM area. With the dyno numbers out of the way, let's get a little bit more into the SCT device itself. This device comes with SCT's pre-configured tune on it, and it's a great option for you if you're looking for a general tune as opposed to a more specific custom preloaded tune. It's also going to be a great option for you if you're simply looking for a device to take to a custom dyno tune. The install for this is going to be a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter, and let's get more into the SCT device now. To get the install started, you're just going to connect your wire into the top of your tuner. Just clips into place like that, and you'll take this end and connect into the car's OBD2 port. And your tuner will turn on then. So this tuner is a great tuner if you don't need a cloud-based tuner. It still has a lot of really good qualities, even if it's not a cloud-based tuner. This now has built-in Wi-Fi, which is great because what that means is you don't have to plug into your PC or your computer in order to get your firmware updates on here. It has built-in Wi-Fi and it'll update automatically for you. The other nice thing about this is it still does have a full-color LCD screen on it. It can read and clear your trouble codes for you, which is a great feature. It can hold up to 10 tunes at one time. The other great thing about this is that it does have the ability to data log and show you gauges, about 8 gauges at one time depending on how you lay it out. So if you go into your menu here, you select gauges and data log, it's going to want you to turn the vehicle into the on position. So right now you can see control module voltage displayed, coolant temp displayed. We can change what we see here if we go down to select gauge layout. So by checking these boxes, we can configure what our gauges are going to look like. So we have different options here. We also have different layouts if we want to do a landscape layout instead. So if we just, I don't know, let's just select this one. You can see how that changes our layout. So you guys can really customize this and use this almost as your gauges. So a lot of people may pick up a device like this one with only preloaded tunes if they want to get a device that they can take to a custom dyno tune with them. Today, we're going to use this device to actually load a preloaded tune. So I'll go through, I'll show you how to get one of the preloaded tunes loaded onto your vehicle. So in order to get one of the tunes onto the vehicle, you're just going to go to Program Vehicle. You'll need the ignition to be on, but the car not started. Hit Continue. Alright, so we're going to be living in the preloaded tune section up here. Down here is where you'd go if you had a custom tune. We're not going to be doing that today. We're going to load the preloaded tune, which is this one right here. So we're going to select OK, or the middle button right here. And this is going to walk you through some of the parameters that are set. So if you want, you can just take a look at them. So you can see this tune is for 87 octane. Everything here is set to be stock, which is what we want. Rev limiter set at 7,000. Great to know for when I dyno this. So we are just going to hit the right arrow here. It's going to take us down to approve. We'll approve it. We're going to hit continue. Okay. So at this point, it's just a waiting game. You'll have to let the tuner do its thing as it's uploading the tune. It could take anywhere from 5 minutes to maybe 10 max. Alright, so our download is done, so we're just going to hit done, say OK. At this point now, you're ready to start your car, you're ready to just take off and go. All right guys, that's gonna wrap up this review and install. Make sure you keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.